What's up? What's up? What's up? Just turning this thing on. All right, cool. I don't have any leetcode problems up right now. I should probably get to that. But off camera, I did. If anyone was here last time, I was watching this. I was like I was getting myself. I don't want to style this, but I did a very basic amount. So like, I want to get it to where it's not reflexive, but I think it's just because of the component that I'm using. So I might fully migrate it to like just use the tables. But as of right now, low key, this is kind of good enough for me, because the major thing that I wanted was at any phone view, we'll just have this. And that's really all I cared about. Because realistically, not many people are going to be like zooming in, I don't know, like fucking 400% on an item. Like, I just don't think that's happening. So as long as the phone works, that's all I really cared about. I should actually probably commit this. Yeah, those are all good. Oh, I should also commit that. Package lock JSON. Cool. Okay. Hit it with a little git commit. Add mobile view for operation hours page. Hit it with a little bit of that. Okay. We're good. So low key, is that like this project kind of done? That's kind of crazy to say. I should have checked if it builds. Please build. God damn it. That means I can't just merge it. Where was it? Wait. Oh, it's in helper. Damn. Okay. Now can we build? Seems cool. I don't really need Dizzy UI, but whatever. I'll just keep it. I hate that. I hate that so much. I have to add a whole nother commit. Or can I restore and then commit back? Whatever. This is a person project. It's not that deep. Okay. Now, hypothetically, I should be able to just... Is everything extensively tested? No. Do I care? Not really. I should just make sure the backend is... Yeah. Okay. So, now that that's checked, tests are passing, UI looks fine enough. I think we're going to hit it with a little merge, which is a little bit scary for me. I don't know why it's scary for me, but alas it is. What's up? What's my typing speed? I could not tell you. I have no clue. Probably pretty slow. Alright, we're gonna merge this hoe. Okay, so feet, operation hours. And then restructure backend. Restructure backend. Can't type. Added the scraping functionality for operation. There's then a front end page for it. With additional features of opening and closing times on the page. Yeah. So almost added less and restructuring of the backend. Okay. Why did I make this pull request, bro? I can merge it myself. Please take one online. Impressed by my speed? Dude, you're gonna be unimpressed. But yeah, sure. Because I gotta go do leetcode anyway. We're gonna merge it. This is scary. YOLO. YOLO. Alright, we merged. Alright, was it like monkey type? Oh, this is gonna be embarrassing. Alright, I'm just gonna do a 15-second one. $120? That's pretty good. It's actually higher than I was expecting. 100% accuracy, not bad. Not too bad of a start. Okay. One thing to check is now technically at nufood.me. What the crazy? That was a pretty good one. We built. Look at us go. Which means also the railway part updated because we're getting status closed. Dude, hell yeah. We're on the official site. Oh, we sew up. What a great start. Okay. So, for now, I'm kind of just going to say... Wait, why do I have no preferences? Of course I find an issue almost instantly. The element does not exist. Why? Why me? Alright, give me 1 second. I gotta log in, so I want to hide. Hide that. I just want to check that it did hide. Yeah, okay. Hit a little login. Why does the preferences not work? Why? What is the error code? Is it just like I renamed a variable probably? This would be my guess. Why? Preferences? Oh, sorry. I didn't realize I did not undo it. A little bit confused. Oh, wait, no. My user preferences is it actually just none? Or like if I God bless. It's not an issue. I just didn't have preferences. Okay. Which means we should actually be good. Oh, s.user preferences is undefined. Wait, but why? Maybe at some point did I delete the user preferences database? That's what it's seeming like. But I mean, everything's functioning. So do I really even care? Like, not really. Like, not really at all. Okay. Close these things. The one thing I should change is... I'll scrape for location errors. I'll add that cron job at the end. Okay. Let us get to some leetcode. I kind of just want to see what the daily is, to be honest. I don't even want to think of what things I should do, even though I definitely should do like the same thing of doing consistent problems. But whatever. Oh, it's a hard. Great. Maximum sum of 3 non-overlapping O subarrays. Given an integer array nums and an integer k, find 3 non-overlapping subarrays of length k. What the fuck? Do I even understand this problem? Okay, so this is our input. Our integer k, find 3 non-overlapping subarrays. Okay. So they just have to be distinct subarrays. Return, their starting position. This almost seems like dynamic-y. Like some dynamic programming, maybe? Maybe. Alright, let me dissect. So that. Find 3 non-overlapping. Okay. It makes sense. Then we gotta make sure. So we're returning a list of the indices of the starting positions. If there are multiple answers, return the lexigraphically smallest one. What does it mean? Does that just mean like... Yeah. So lexigraphically, I think we can kind of just do with like a sum, right? Because we're always wanting to take the smallest. Okay, so let's go through this. What the hell? I don't know what's happening. Okay. So what could be the relationship here? So it's like it's a maximal problem. Like, so is there a way to do this with counting? No, I don't think so. Is there a way to maybe prefix or like pre-compute? Trying to think of a way to pre-compute maybe. I don't think so. Because the only thing I could think of for pre-computing is like, no, because it depends on the value. I guess because you always want the lexicographically smallest, you could go based on the previous one. Like make an array in which how do I clear? Like if we had a pre-compute array of that's stupid because it's just O of n squared again. Just finished my leet codes for the night, man. Cheers. Hey, you're ahead of me, man. I'm just starting. This daily seems demon-like. I don't know if I'm at here skill level yet. It seems like dynamic programming, but I'm really bad at recognizing recurrence relations for the dynamic programs. Because like, if it was a recurrence relation, we would take in like the current position, right? Something like that, like where it is in the array, and then also maybe like where we are in K. So maybe like take in val so far. Or I should say like params val so far. It's kind of a little bit like coin change where we like it's like we're either taking or skipping. Because it's like a val so far. Like num in array. The val's process. I don't know a better word for it. Let me even make sure this is a dynamic programming problem. Yeah, it is. So is there a way to do some type of prefix, man? Like first pass. Okay, so at every point in the array, maybe we go through it backwards. Does that help us at all? Because then you can do like God damn it. I'm so bad at even thinking about these problems. If you go backwards, does that help us at all? If we go forwards through the array. If you go forwards through the array, like how would we make like a prefix thing? Pretty much what I'm having trouble with. Like, because the whole goal is to make groupings, right? So the problem I'm having with the prefix array is that, like, how do we know when, like, I was thinking even maybe for a prefix array, like, we have them as tuples, where it's like, at each position is the possible, like, up to this value. I did it. I'm gonna just ask ChatGPT what the recurrence relationship could be for this, because I'm not good enough at recognizing them right now. I just want to learn how to build intuition, or not learn how to. Okay, so you need to select 3, yeah. There are multiplies. Yeah. Okay, I guess that's something I definitely should have noticed, is that the starting indexes always need to be at least k away, so you can kind of skip computing. It's the sum of the subarray starting at index I. Okay, sure. Consider the best subarray for the first segment of k. Okay. This is a little bit out of my wheelhouse. Yeah, unfortunately a little bit out of my wheelhouse. I definitely don't think I can do this right now. Whatever, I'm not even gonna do easier stuff. I'll eventually go through and learn it. What do I want to do instead? What do I want to do instead? What are intervals? I guess I should probably follow the roadmap thing. Dude, I hate this part of leetcode. What are we thinking? I'll do some stacks. Let's do some stacks. Let's do a binary search problem. Because I completely don't know binary search. I know of it. I don't know how to code it. So I'll try to figure that out. Okay, let's do some stacks. Oh, sorry, I have a headache. Okay. You're given an array of integers, temperatures, where temperatures at I represents the... I need to change this music. What the fuck, dude? What's up? Hello, hello. You are just witnessing me do leetcode badly. Okay. You're given an array of integers temperatures for temperatures that I represents the daily temperatures on the ith day. Okay. Makes sense. Return an array result where result at I is the number of days after the ith day before a warmer temperature appears. Okay. If there is no day in the future where a warmer temperature will appear for the ith day, set it to 0. Okay. You programmer, technically. I could one. Or yet to find out. Okay. So we're given something like this. Do I mean the trading world? I am not good enough at math. I can't be remotely a quant. Okay. At least right now, I have not trained in that specialty at all. So we have 1, that makes sense. 4, that makes sense. Okay, and obviously naively you wouldn't be able to do it because that'd have to be O(n) squared. Worst case. Since you don't have a job, you can get funded account, get extra income on the side. Not quant, bro, like buy prop firm account? I don't really know what that is. But also like day trade, is it like day trading? I don't trust myself with money like that, bro. Okay, so how could maybe like a stack? Stack would be helpful in this. Because here, you would pretty much just append to the stack. Some research, bro, and let me know. It's like future trading? Is that what you're into? Like, are you doing that right now? Not a scammer or some shit. Yeah, I mean, if that's what you're doing, it's interesting. A couple of my friends are interested in like the finance sector. Good luck, bro. Like the spirit. Hey, thank you. Programming languages do you code in? I don't really have a specific one. I know a decent amount of like Python, TypeScript. Project I just did is Go. Working on some Zig today. What's up, Lauren? Welcome back. All right, I need to actually do this problem. So I'm thinking between here and here, append it to a stack. Then we check the next one. And then if it's lower or none, then here we would, like at our new array, we would put the length of the stack. And then we move to the next one. Can we reuse the stack somehow? I don't know how we would be able to reuse the stack. I'm trying to think. Like, if we move to the next one, If we move to the next one and we're like, how does the stack help us here? Obviously it does help because it's under the stack problems, but why? I'm really trying to see it. I don't see it though. Do not see the music. Because if it's 38 then we go up until it's like that existing temperature. So once we move up, we'd push this, push this, push this. We'd note here that it's 40. So then we take the length of it, I mean inclusive, so you'd get 4. I don't know, I want to look at a hint. I have a headache. Yeah, brute force. You consider a reverse approach, for example, in 2, 1, 1, 3, the next greater element for the numbers. Instead of checking for each element individually. Can use a stack to maintain indices in a metonically. What? What? The fuck? What the fuck? Okay, so you keep appending while it's in decreasing order. And then when you reach 3, we pop. Oh, my charger fell out. Use ChatGPT? Dude, I will if I really don't understand this, but I think I'm just going to look at the solution and read it. Because I don't even look at the hints. So if you do it in reverse order, I don't fucking know. Solution. This can also be a dynamic programming problem. So the result are zeros. Stack is a pair of temp and indice. You loop over it while there exists a stack and the current temperature is greater than the stack's temperature. Oh, that does make sense to me. God damn it. Does that even make sense to me, actually? So you're iterating over the indexes and the temps. And then if there's a stack already pre-existing, of things that would be greater than it would keep popping. Damn. Actually, I'll be right back. I gotta go to the bathroom. Yo, new here. What position are we trying for? Any internship, dog. Any internship. I'm a sophomore in college. Okay. So we iterate forwards. So like, where's the input? So we have something like this. It'd be, we're iterating forwards. And then at each step, we're appending the process. And we're checking if there exists a stack. So our stack initially exists like this. And then, say for our first one, there's no stack, so we're going to skip it, and then we're going to append this. So then, for 21, our stack is going to be 22. But then, you're checking, is it great? Wait. Before a warmer day appears. So you got to make sure that it's like while it's greater than. Yeah, because if it's greater than, obviously we have to start popping off the stack. So it's not going to be greater. And then we check 20, and then this will be 22 and 21. But we can't pop anything here. Yeah, that makes sense. Okay. Okay, sure. No, it'd be, so while there's a stack and the temperature is greater than we want the index, no, we want temp index to equal stack.pop. And then it's going backwards, so it'd be I minus that index. Like, I think. That should be a minus. Hehe. Okay. Couldn't come up with it myself for sure, but it made sense. I guess the intuition is just like the stack is actually like a further person's problem. You're given an array of strings tokens that represent a valid arithmetic expression in the reverse Polish notation. Okay. Turn the integer that represents the evaluation of the expression. Division between integers always truncates to 0. Okay. I mean, this seems pretty easy. This one just seems like we iterate until we see an operand. And then like keep a resulting one, iterate until we see the operand, pop the topmost two, and just apply the expression. No? You'll make it, dude. Thank you. Everyone's been so kind. Like I thought, I started this channel kind of just like keep me accountable. Everyone's just been so unexpectedly nice. Okay, so we first gotta check if the operand something like this. Will we be guaranteed? Yeah, we'll be guaranteed a stack of that length. I think so, because it says a valid reverse Polish notation. So hell yeah. Hell yeah. Wait, what? So here we do res plus equals 3. So then we have 3. That's 3 times 3. I don't even think we need a res. I think we just need to check what's at the end of the stack. I think so. Is this stupid? Well, we're gonna find out. Now that looks right. I hate it so much. This one, unironically, like, I have some problems I just have no intuition for it. This one doesn't seem bad, though. Unless there are a lot of edge cases that I just don't understand. Or it needs integer division truncating down. So how do I do that? Okay, so just 2 slashes. Okay, and then this should be if and then elif. else we're just going to stack dot append the token, or the integer version of the token, right? Because they're numbers. It kind of seems like it, to be honest. It's just like check if it's an operand. If it is, then pop the pass to, and then append the result of that. So like if we walk through this, 1 is not an operand, so we just append the integer version of it. 2 is not an operand, so we'd append the integer version of it. So we have a thing of 1, 2. We encounter a plus, so then we pop 2, pop 1, add them to get 3, put that on the stack. And then, so we have 3, and then we see another 3, which we would append, because it's not an operand, the integer version. We see the multiplication, pop the 2 of them, put 9 on the stack, see 4, add it to the stack, see the minus, pop 9, 4, subtract them, you get 5. Seems legit. Nope. God damn it. I named it st at the beginning, and then I named it stack. Isn't that great? Dude. Okay. Looking good so far, but there's only one test case. Integer division or modulo by 0? I have to do a 0 check first? Bruh. That's fair. So I can't divide by 0. Can you do 0? This is stupid, but whatever. Shut up. Stop yelling at me. Just create a new one. Can I do... Is this fine? Okay, so that's fine, but I can't do this. Okay. Okay, sure. So we just gotta check... or with division, which one would be the divider? I'm saying it's num2, but do I even believe that? I'm assuming 0, but I actually don't know. This question doesn't really give me much. It's not giving me much here. Like maybe these need to swap? Also, subtraction needs to swap. That's fair. I guess I wasn't really paying attention to that. Okay. Nope. Why? What? I'm so confused. I think I have the basis, so I don't really care about looking at the answer. make it a float? That's the only difference, right? Is it really that? What does that even help? No. Okay, so I'm doing something else wrong. Allegedly. But where? Is someone seeing where I'm being stupid? Because I don't. This is annoying me. Bro. Never mind. Nobody look. It didn't happen. It didn't happen. You didn't see anything. What? Wait, now I'm kind of confused. No, I'm quite confused, actually. Oh, no. Matching parentheses, Aiden. Okay. So the problem was, what was the problem, actually? Why did I have to make this, why did I have to make that a float? To not get fully truncated? Yeah, okay, makes sense. Alright. Should we binarily search? God damn it, I completely forget how to do binary search. I know it's like, you have... Do I know? Like, basic binary search is like... Yeah, variations do suck. I know basic binary search is like if you have an array of like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you would start here. So you start in the middle, and then it's like you check if the current value is greater, then you would check the midpoint between the others. So you'd go to like here. And if it's greater, then you go up. Like you keep just going up, or you go down. I'm gonna just try to raw dog coding this, and then obviously it's just something I should commit to memory in this journey of ours. So I think we have to take in what are the parameters for this function again? It's like a low, mid, high, right? Something like that? I like loosely remember low, mid, high. You know what I should do? I should just learn it here. Or no. No, fuck it, let's try it. I got time, bro. It's sorted in ascending order. Trying to think. You'd want to start at the middle. So you probably need the length. What am I doing, bro? God, my fucking head hurts. Do I need like a low, mid, high? And then it's like check if the target is less than. But then what's our while loop condition? So like while low is less than high or something like that? Like when do we know we're breaking? Oh, you're so right. Thank you. Good luck, bro. Hey, thank you. Hey. My fingers weren't on the homework key, so I got all messed up. I'm just gonna naively, like, kind of just think and just pray. That I can come up with something out of my ass. Okay, so if the nums at the middle is greater than the target, then we are going to go upper, so our low now equals our middle. Our high stays the same, and our middle equals high minus low divided by 2. Else, so this would be greater, so search right. Also has to be lower or equal. I'm checking. What is the while loop condition for this? I don't know. I'm gonna get an infinite loop, but I don't really care. Five. No. What is the while loop condition? The fuck? Oh, it needs to be... Wait. It's a pain. My bad, I'll send you a personalized notification next time. You're not missing much besides me struggling for the first fucking hour, as always. What's up, Rohan? Currently complaining about a skill issue. I guess, yeah, you just don't need this. So what I had... So we're just iteratively updating M every time. Yeah, that makes sense because I had the same thing. But what? Why do you add L? Can lead to overflow? Got some. Do I really have 150 subscribers? Wait, no way. What? How? That's kind of crazy. See, that's crazy. That's crazy. I didn't think a single person was ever going to watch these. 151 now? This is great. Keep going. Be consistent. Hey, thank you, man. Dude, this is what I haven't expected. Everyone's been so nice. Like, I was expecting this to just be in the void. Everyone's been so nice to me. It's like, oh, just stay with it. Be consistent. So motivational. It was 129 yesterday? Yeah, I know. It was, dude, it was like fucking 50 5 days ago. Or like 40 or 30. Like at the beginning of this trip, when I was not on a scuffed setup. I don't know, it's so crazy to me. Okay, but what else is crazy to me is... Why do I add L? Oh, because it's just the difference. Hello, hey. Yo, what's up, guys? What's up? Yeah. Because you need the difference between the two. This year, I like a charm. How long have I been coding? About a year and a half? 2 years. Not super long, but not super short. But I've never really put time into there's a way to do it with only one if-else block? What? Yeah, that's crazy. I stream via OBS? Yeah. And my laptop is overheating. Do I have a degree? Nah, I'm a sophomore in college studying CS. So I'm trying to get a degree. But in the meantime, no. You only use Python? Nah. This needs to be low and high. I kind of use all types of languages. I'm still trying to figure out which one I like the most. How am I time limit exceeding? That's how. Recently got a Czech job out of college. Dude, I would love a hand on my LinkedIn resume. I would love a hand. What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? What am I doing? I'm getting so distracted. Search left, so right equals. +1. Yeah. I'm just getting distracted. Okay, how am I timeline exceeding? It should be high. And also, I'm confusing left and right. Wait, if it's, dude, oh my god. If it's greater than the target, then we need to move low. Why are they moving the right pointer? What? Why'd you move the right pointer? Why are they saying, like, they're equivalently saying this? But if your thing is less than the target, oh, then you do want it. Are you ready, bro? Dude, chill out. Chill out. I mean, I'm confused now. It's been a bad mix. We're fine. Reset? Like low key. Low key might be the move. Oh, that was actually fine. Okay, I need to do more by myself, but I really don't want to do that right now. I kind of just want to mess around with zig. So I think that's what I'm going to do. I think we're going to do some ziglings. Alright, where was I? Wait, I should be doing that in this. And then here. Tried C3 yet? Nah. Okay, where was I? 003. Okay. Seems we got a little carried away. Making everything const U8. Const values can't change. Okay, values are unsigned. Yep. 8 means 8 bits. Sure. Yep, makes sense. Yep, cam makes sense. He's ghosty? I'm on ghosty. What you're working on? I'm doing the ziglings. Trying to teach myself zig. Not teach myself, just try zig. Okay, yeah, makes sense. Yep, makes sense. First parameter is a string. String may contain placeholders. Okay. Sure. So this just needs to be like what? A U. $19? When did you graduate? I have not graduated. I'm a sophomore. What's the benefit of zig over C apart from the build system? Syntax seem autistic as well. Just seems more fun. I think there's like a thing of safety and pointers, but I don't really know. I kind of just saw Zig. I saw like one of my favorite people to watch is, I think his name is Spherio. It's like another type of programmer that like programs for fun. He uses Zig a lot, and it just looked cool. I've literally no other reason but that. Yeah, chat is quite active today. Oh, can't assign a constant. Yeah, that makes sense. I need to make this var. Shit. And this needs to be an I. Cool. Love that dude. His video editor shit is insane. That's what I'm saying. He was like, it looked cool as fuck. He was using Zig. I was like, why not? Why not try it? All right, let's learn some array basics. Arrays are declared with. Okay, very Go-like. Very Go-like with the prefix. And Zig can infer it. Okay. Okay. Yep, makes sense. Set values of the array using the array index. Yeah, get the length. Okay. Sure, so what is the error here? No, it just says question marks. So this just needs to be var, right? Because we need to, it's like you can't edit it. Individual values can be accessed with the, yeah, okay. Looks like we need to complete this for. Okay, so I'm assuming you can just use 3, right? Use the length to get the, just, should just literally be that, right? Cool. That's the wrong one. It'd be in the exercises folder. Okay. Zig has some fun array operators. You can use ++. Okay, so you can concatenate too. It's pretty cool. Can you start a repeat array? Looked like Go, and now it's looking like Python. On arrays while your program is being compiled. Okay. Okay. Seems about right. Solve the problem. Let's see the results. We could print these. Little loop action. I also like this. I didn't for a little bit, but this like capture group is like kind of cool. Comments of crypto is such awesome work to scam people. Yeah, no, I had no clue that was a scam. That's kind of completely on me. I should have just deleted the comment originally. Anyways, cool, moving on. Let's go to the 6th one. Yeah, exactly. I know. It's not, I wouldn't say it's awesome work to scam people. I do not like to scam people. That's why I deleted it. Okay, now that we've learned about arrays, we can talk about strings. Yeah. It's almost the same as that. Okay. Sure. Notice how individually, yeah. Okay, single quotes are for, so single quotes are for characters, and doubles are for strings. Okay, sure. So I want to grab D. So D is at 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. There. Oh, you can repeat. Okay. So I'm assuming it's just like that. I'm also assuming I can just do that. Cute. Wait, no. Running data space. Is that what it was saying? Oh, okay. Cool. As multi-line strings, sure. Okay. Right. Okay. I don't know if this is like the most interesting of content, but I don't really want to do front-end shit. And this channel's less about content and more about learning, which means I should be doing more leetcode, but fuck it to hell. Okay. What's up, Yusuf? No, when you want to declare. Useless as well most of the time. Leetcode, do you mean? Because fucking I agree with that in terms of I'm awful at it. And it seems like the amount of time I put in doesn't matter. That's not true, but I want it to be. Because I hate that shit. You want to declare memory. Oh, you can set it to undefined. That's quite cool. I'm assuming they just want X. Yeah, honestly, it's just memorizing algorithms for what I did. Yeah. Randomly came across this one on the feed. Good luck, man. Hey, thanks, man. Yeah. I think for LeetCode, it's literally just going to be a fucking war of attrition for me. Of just, if I can come on here every day, do at least 3 problems, hopefully eventually without hints, it'll make a difference. Oh, what the fuck? That's crazy, yeah. Dude, people be wild then. Okay, what am I trying to do? Following lines attempt to put Z, I, and G into the lang array. Okay, so I need Z. So can I just do... Can I do that? Functions like recognizing patterns like sliding windows. Yeah. Pretty much. And I don't have the pattern matching techniques right now. Still working on it. What did I do wrong? Does it need to be 4? Or why is this x equals 2? Oh, it's not supposed to be letters at x. Wait, no, okay. I'm getting myself mixed up. It should be lang at 1. Just came. What is he coding? I'm just doing ziglings right now, which is pretty much trying to teach myself language of Zig, or not teach myself, but like get affiliated with the syntax and stuff of Zig. I just finished front end for my website for finding like dining hall food on my campus called nufood.me. Merged the branch today. It was a pretty big deal, guys. Pretty big deal. This is the GitHub, if anyone wants to see it. I liked it. You can roast my... You used Go before? Funny you ask. The backend for this is entirely in Go for nufood. Feel free to come on this GitHub and critique my code, because it is awful, and I'd like to learn why. That's actually really funny timing, though. But yeah, this whole backend is in Go. Gotta love Go. I had a great time using it, but it was less of like... I don't know if I can explain this in any way. It wasn't like the if error not nil thing. I just didn't feel like it was something I'd enjoy writing for a long time. But I really enjoyed it for the project. I liked learning about it. I liked the syntax. There were a couple of things that were like interesting. I really liked defining structs. The test system was great. I loved the test system. But like this stuff, ooh, I loved this. Chef's kiss. I actually don't know why I wouldn't use Go as like my main like go-to language. But I don't know. C++, loved it as well. Yeah, dude, it's great. I honestly had a great time. I want to do a project with using the concurrency system, like Go routines, because I don't understand those at all. But I think that's a little later date. Subs increase? Thank you guys. Like and subscribe. Not kidding. This channel is less about content and more about me just showing up every day. That's all I want it to be. Okay. Let's go to 009. Now we get into the fun stuff. Is it to make a bot for my music Discord? Oh, interesting. Sounds like a really interesting project, actually. I was thinking of making a Discord bot. Purely for... It's kind of stupid, but you know how, like, when people make messages, you can, like, emoji react to stuff? I really want to... Or, I kind of did it, but... It's like a bot where you can do like /reply or /react and then like type a sentence and then it'll spell that out in letters in like the emoji code. Because I think that shit's so funny for like no reason. I'm like the only one that finds that funny, but I don't care. Okay. Should be as simple as this. Yeah. How does your thing use a lot of concurrency for your music bot? Like, what is the music bot? What? Ooh, one-liner if else, kind of ternary. Kind of ternary. Don't tell me I have to wrap it. Ugh. I don't like that. Channel multiple requests. I guess that makes sense. Did mine. I like half did it ChatGPT because I didn't want to go through the Discord docs for like such a shitty bot. Like it's not a good enough project to make like anything past a day. And I think mine used just like async Python. Want to create a Discord channel that we can discuss projects and share experience? Dude, I'm down. Yeah, I'm reading every chat message. What do you mean, man? So this is not just HTTP. This is. Yeah, that makes sense, Caesar. That makes sense. I wonder if I can find where did I put that? Oh, I actually might have. Send Discord link and I'll join. I'll have to make that after. If you guys are like actually want to join a Discord, that'd be crazy. But yeah, I can make a Discord. Let me make sure for 1 second that I don't have like secrets on this thing. I just want to make sure I didn't stupidly hardcode anything. Because that would be really funny. Okay, no, I didn't. Yeah. So here's like my very bad Discord bot. It's just like some async Python. That's like if you do like React emoji, then I just try to find like I pretty much search upwards of like the person's most recent message and then try to spell out their thing in like the emoji thing. It works. However, since Discord you can like you can't send like an emoji A and then another emoji A. I was trying to like upload my own emojis. I think I even had yeah, I had like an emojis thing, and these are just PNGs of like obviously you can't display them. I wonder if there is a way to display that in NewVim. Like in Ghosty as well. Anyways, I'm getting sidetracked. I tried to like get my own thing, but that did not work so well. But yeah. Anywho, back to this. What was I on? 10? Oh yeah, I tried this. Mine turned out alright, but I've not finished. What like was the project? You said music, but like, oh, is it literally just like a music player, like one of those? 'Cause that'd be cool. Okay. Check out some time. I'm down. Send the little link. Spotify thing? Oh, okay. Okay. Zig while statements create a loop that runs while the condition is true. This runs once at most. Okay. Wait, runs once at most. What? Oh, this runs once at most. Okay. Gets top music albums. Oh, so it just like integrates with their API. That's pretty cool. Did I pass this thing? Yeah, so I gotta go to 12. COC. Joke's on you. I don't know what COC is. I just have one big ass fucking init.lua file. My NeoVim experience has pretty much just been, I've really wanted to force myself to use the motions, so I got myself to use the editor. And sorry, I used Kickstart, and then haven't really, like, I added my own plugins, and obviously I've riced it a little bit, but I haven't literally, like, I have on init.lua and then like one plugin for Java, one for like a floating terminal, and like latex snippets. But I just like this because I like minimal. I hated VS Code. And I wanted to like make it myself. Because I really like making shortcuts. Like the reason I like NeoVim is just purely because of motions and defining my own motions. It was way harder to do that in VS Code. Please set the... Okay, wait, let me read this. Zig while statements can have an optional continue expression, which runs... Interesting. Okay. Okay. So it seems like... What do we want to do here? Something like that. No? Why not? Oh, I don't actually write continue. That's stupid. Yeah, I got into NeoVim because it's way lighter. Yeah. I just like the way it flows. What does COC stand for again? Because I know I like... I don't know you're going to say I know. I have no fucking clue what that means. Cool, we're on to 13. Last two exercises. Okay. This is a NeoVim linter and autocomplete stuff. If Kickstart uses it, I use it. If not, it's probably just a random plugin. Okay. I want to print every number between 1 and 20 that is not divisible by 3 or 5. Am I crazy to just say continue here? It's your daily routine. I mean, when I'm in school, also it worked. When I'm in school, it's pretty much just like classes until 5 p.m.-ish. And then typically I have work for a couple hours, like 4 or 5 hours, because I'm like a desk job. And next quarter I actually have like technically an internship. So technically I have a job, but it's like a startup near my university. So it's not like a formal job, and also I don't have one for summer. So it's going to be like a lot of that. I like to wake up late, and I like to stay up really late. Whatever break, it's kind of just been chill. I don't know. Wake up whenever, do whatever during the day, make sure I get a stream in. I actually want to, what was I going to say? One of my friends had another project, but it's super front-end heavy. So I think I might do that in a couple days. Like 4 or 5 days, give myself a little break. Well, like from the front-end world. I don't know, I'll see. Because I don't imagine myself doing, I'm probably going to do this for like 20 more minutes. Should probably do some leetcode, and then I might just call it tonight. Because I have a headache. I kind of want to go to bed. But tomorrow I think I'm going to start another project. Not entirely sure what yet. Probably something with zig. I don't know why. I kind of had this in the beginning with Go. It's just like, I just wanted to do a project in Go for no reason, other than I wanted to. Okay, I really don't like how if I change word, it's going past it. But whatever. Hopefully that's just like a question mark thing. Oh, we want n equals 4. Is it a paid internship? Yes, but not for a lot of money. Hey. It's for less than 20 an hour. I don't actually remember the official pay, but I know it's like not a lot of money. But like, hey, it's something. So who am I to complain? I didn't even have to do any LeetCode or anything. It was just a behavioral interview, and the guy really liked me, and I really liked him. He sounded so cool. Okay. Behold the for loop. For loops let you execute code for each element of the array. Yeah, I really like this capture group syntax. It's like it's so funky. Okay. So my guess would be that this would be story. And nope. And this would be scene. $158 already? Hey, wait, subs? That's kind of crazy. Like, oh, will be the death of me if I ever get DO. Yeah. Yep. LeetCode is the death of me as well, which was really annoying because I'm not even getting interviews really. But I have like such an existential fear of like, I'm gonna get a problem, I'm just gonna freeze. Which is why I started this channel. I just want to start this. What exercise is this? Looks cool. It's called Zigglings. It's Zigglings. Alright, I had it open here. Pretty much it's just a bunch of like, they give you broken zig code. You try to build the program, and then each exercise something different is broken. Gives you comments in the beginning of like explaining what the zig code syntax is, and then you kind of just have to solve it. Pretty cool. I really like this way of introducing to a language. Alright, so what am I on? I'm on 16? Okay. For loops also let you use the index of the iteration. Okay, kind of like enumerate a number that counts up. Okay. To access the index of iteration, specify a second condition as well as a second capture group. Okay. So this syntax, I'm guessing, is just for all the items, 0 up until the length of the items, grab the item and the index. Yeah, makes sense. Okay. So this, I'm assuming, is just 0 dot dot. And then this would be I. Yeah? Pretty cool, yeah. Honestly, I stand by the fact that LeetCode really has no place in the interviewing. I really hate this. Yeah. Yeah. I tend to agree with you, brother. But as of now, unfortunately, that's where we are as the industry. Which means I have to grind shit that I don't want to grind. Cool. Yeah, I really like this syntax. The only thing is, I'm gonna have to get used to typing this, like, thing. I might actually make a Lua snippet for that. Like, is that crazy? Maybe later. Because it'd be kind of cool, like, if I check if the file is, like, .zig, and then if I wrote this, then I could, like, tab complete to something like this. That'd be cool. Should I just do that? Let's do it, bro. What the fuck? I got nothing but time. Yeah. The Go stuff. What are you working on? I am currently getting sidetracked. I was working on the Zigling stuff, try to learn Zig, and now I want to make a snippet for Zig. So for living in the middle, I gotta go sleep. Hey, good night, bro. Appreciate you. Stop by again. Have a good night. Alright, how do I do this thing again? I think I need this stuff. Kind of completely forget how to do this. I have some things for LaTeX. What OS are you running? I'm on Mac OS. Nice little Mac. Okay, so how would I want it? Kind of want it like, what am I doing? I know what I want. It would be for pretty much that, right? Thanks for chill. I was thinking of picking one up. Yeah, I wanted to get something that had like a ton of battery life for expression expected. Why? Oh. I wanted to get something with good battery life because obviously with being a university student, it's like the Windows one are fine, like you can run Linux stuff, but Macs are kind of just undefeated when it comes to battery life with power. Also Unix, quite nice. Alright, I'm at 17. So now if I do oh, is that already baked in? Wait, what? Hello? That's already baked into the language? Can't get Macs because I love Linux. Yeah, that's fair. Extremely fair. At the time of getting... I didn't realize it was already baked in the language, by the way. That's fucking sick. I like that a lot. Shut up. Stop yelling at me. I need to get... So I'll just delete this, actually, because I just don't need this. Nope. God damn it. Yeah, I got this Mac kind of before I was into programming a lot, so I didn't even really know what Linux was, if I'm being fully honest. I've grown a lot in a year. Okay. 17. Model do you have? I have an M2 Air. Got it on sale. It was quite nice. We got quiz time again. Let's see if you can solve the famous fizz buzz. Players take turns. bomb. What's up? Finally started Zig? Yeah. Yep. I have not... What am I trying to say? Sorry, my head is all over the place right now. Finally finished the project I was working on, Any Food. So I'm out of front-end land for a little bit, and I intend to stay out of it for a little bit. I want to do some system stuff. It's way more interesting to me. Okay. It looks like a for loop. Actually? No, it looks like a while loop. What am I saying? What do they want me to print here? I've started on a GUI app with Python. Dude, SQLite is kind of nice. I use SQLite for testing, for my Go code. Where is it? If I test, yeah, it was really nice to have, like, you can do like in memory testing. Pretty cool. Very nice. Okay. That's awesome. Dude, it's quite awesome. I had a great time with the Go testing protocol. Okay, wait, what am I even supposed to do? What do they want here? Is that it? Nope. See, because I don't really know what FizzBuzz is. What do they want? Which languages you know such languages I actually work with? If I am acting honestly, I don't know. I have no clue. I like Python more than JavaScript and TypeScript. That's not true. I just don't like designing the UI in TypeScript land. But actually writing TypeScript is like not that bad. I liked Python. I had a class in C and C++. I liked C more than C++. Trying Zig right now. I've never tried Rust. Haven't really tried Haskell. I did have to use a Lisp. We used Racket at Northwestern for some godforsaken reason. So I got some exposure to like Lisp languages, but yeah. Scala, never tried Scala. I don't even really know. Is Scala Lisp? What is this? What does it look like? Dude, I've never seen this in my goddamn life. Jason Tucker is annoying as fuck. Yeah. Can they want to learn NeoVim properly? There are scenarios now where I want to have macros to select data. Yeah, that's also why I liked NeoVim. You just get to do so much new shit. Part of X, formerly known as Twitter, written on. I didn't know that. I'm gonna rebuild the whole damn thing again. Best of luck to you, brother. Best of luck to you. Okay, what was I doing? Okay. Fizz, buzz, fizz. Any number divisible by 3, any number divisible by 5. Numbers divisible by both become FizzBuzz. Okay. So if it's not divisible by 3 and it's not divisible by this, then don't we skip? Oh, we put an I. Okay, so you just want to print the position. Sure. Did you write Config from scratch? I use Kickstart. I was so overwhelmed with NeoVim in the beginning because I kind of jumped from it when I was like kind of a degen programmer. Not degen. This was like a couple months ago. I'm acting like I'm so much better now. But it's a lot. It's overwhelming to start. At least it was for me. So I use Kickstart. If anything, I just hope languages can move away from the name std. Yeah. Web UI is using web browsers as GUI. That's true. I had no idea Kickstart existed, and I just raw dogged it. More power to you. That is insane material. That is insane. Okay. Cool. We're on to functions. Functions. I've already created lots of functions. Let's do something different. Okay. fn foo. Fnfoo. Function above takes a number and returns a number that is larger by 1. Yep, that makes sense. Should return. Okay. So this just needs to be fn. It takes in... Oh no, it doesn't take in anything. All it returns is U8. Also just learned of Go Blueprint. Isn't that the, like, you structure a Go, like a Golang project structure? Keyboard shortcuts do you use most? I'm a newbie, so I don't know. That's a good question. Uppercase C changes to the end of the line. So if I have like this and I'm here, Shift C does that. Obviously HJK and L to move. Control D, Control up to go half a page up and down. Like Shift VA squirrely brace gets you like around. Shift VI squirrely brace gets you inside. There's probably a bunch more I do subconsciously at this point. I don't really know. Is computer science a tough major to get a job in? Yes. Yeah. Hey, we are oversaturated. It's also the typing amount of lines to skip. Oh, relative line numbers? Yeah. Yeah. Like 10J, 10K. Prefixes? Okay, let me get rid of this. Oh, actually. Is it even worth going to college for computing? My answer to that would be if you are passionate, I think it is worth it. For sure. I think for sure if you're passionate or if you are money hungry enough. The thing that I'm pretty much seeing is just that like anyone that's in CS doesn't really like CS and came into it because like they saw it as a good major. Like it's so oversaturated at the moment that to stand out, you kind of have to be like a fucking grinder. I'm using Warp Terminal. I tried Ghost, it's fast. It's fine features and system-based theming. That's extremely fair. I don't really ever use the fine theming. I'm coming from iTerm too. I haven't noticed a huge difference in Zig besides the rendering time. I like the rendering time. Well, okay, what am I supposed to be at? 19? I can't blame them, honestly. Just be good at it. Yeah, I mean, neither can I. Also, people that learn independently have some setbacks, but mostly on low-level stuff. What do you mean by that? I feel like people that learn independently, it's kind of swagging. Zigging is a terminal? No, zigging is my TMUX session. I have a couple, like, you can see my TMUX sessions. Like, if I went to NU food, it'll, like, prefix down here, NU food. Or, like, if I'm in the, like, oh my god, these are terrible examples. But, like, NU food. I finished my first semester of comp sci and I feel like I'm a complete fraud. Dude, don't feel like I'm a complete fraud. I was a complete fraud. I am a complete fraud. Everyone's a fucking fraud. Unless you have, like, actual experience, you are a fraud. We're not frauds. We are students. Which no one expects, like, if you're a pre-med student and you're one semester in, it's like, bro, chill out. When did you start how to code? A year and a half ago. Only taking it seriously for about probably a half year. What are you working on? I'm working through Ziglings. There's exercises in Zig, trying to learn it. I feel like I learned nothing. I did not learn much my freshman year of college. Still in school? Yeah. I'm a sophomore at Northwestern. Yeah, you do kind of just have to wing it. Can I share my portfolio? I just now made it live and would love some feedback. Sure. Tons of stuff you learn alone. Dude, so much. I have learned so much more outside of school than inside of school. And I wouldn't even say my program is bad. It's just like the amount you can learn by yourself is so much more. Doing Rust things right now? Hey, sick as hell. More power to you. Rust looked scary. Rust looked like, honestly, the reason didn't want to learn Rust is because it seemed like if you weren't going to use Rust as like a daily driver, you'd like trying to keep up with it seems so AIDS. Next semester will be more data and algorithms, so just lock it in. Just lock in, bro. It's just a couple semesters. College is for figuring out what you want to do. Rust is a worsty. Don't say that. I think Rust is a great language. I just don't have the time or effort to put into it right now. Okay. Now let's create a function that takes a parameter. Also, thank you guys for being so active. Like, what the hell? I got 15 viewers and like people are actually chatting. That's crazy. Sound like the pointers, little. Fair. Let's create a function that takes a parameter. Okay. Yeah. Sure. Should be good. Pointers are, I'm pretty sure with the JS and Python stuff, yeah. Pointers made intuitive sense to me because I actually went through like an assembly course before any courses or like any programming with pointers. So it's like when I was like just a memory space, yeah. It kind of makes sense, just memory accessing. Self-taught in the last 2 years, no school. Can be done. Dude, Corey, trying to get like you, my brother. Congrats, by the way. No, pointers had me really confused leaving 1 year. Yeah. Probably a specific focus, because right now it's super saturated. Also, sorry, the cam is like moving up and down. My laptop is sitting on my lap and it's overheating. Okay, let's see if we can make use of some of the things we learned so far. We'll create 2 functions. Okay. Function that takes an array with exactly 4 U16 numbers. Okay, so I'm assuming I can just return a void here. Wait, what? What does this mean? Binary operator has white space on one side but not the other. I disagree with you. It has white space on both. Why? Whenever you are, please check profile. Where'd you send it? Did I miss a link or something? What's up? Wait, okay, I'm like quite confused. How is this invalid syntax? Oh. So this is supposed to, oh, because I have to change this. My dumbass. So we're returning total. So I'm assuming U16. Seems good to me. 21. Let's get to it. Airs. LFG. I think I'll do up to 30. And I should probably do a leetcode and then I'll go to bed. Something like that. There are 17 people in here? That's crazy. Believe it or not, sometimes things go wrong in programs. Believe it or not, I fucking believe it. Have you seen my code ever? You'll get a job any day now, I believe in you. Thank you, man. You guys are so nice. Zig and errors of value. God bless. I love errors of values. Okay. How do I get started with leetcode? Brother, fuck if I know. I've been doing this for 12 days. I'd suggest leetcode. Should make a Discord so we can make a hackathon or some stuff. I'm down. I didn't expect this many people to watch, but yeah. I can for sure create a Discord. Never done that before, but I feel like it shouldn't be that hard. Seems good. So, you looping over it, const number error equals number fail. Okay. Okay. And then you just check it by the return type. Sure. I'm liking the syntax. I'm liking the syntax. $22. Okay. A common case for errors is a situation where we're expecting to have a value or... Yeah. Okay. What happens if get text can't find foo.text? How do we express this in Zig? Zig lets us make what's called an error union. Cool. Hello, bang operator? Okay. So I'm assuming it's just either a my number error or U8. Or this is that. Seems compilable. Cool. Okay. One way to deal with error unions is to catch any error and replace it with a default value. Okay. Oh, interesting. Okay, so it's like it's just a default value. And this return type would either be a my number error or say U32. Oh, you're not able to set a URL. Oh, it's probably just Instagram's default settings. Okay. Let me first, I don't think you would ever do this, but I just want to, since I have one screen. Okay. Sorry, I know it's probably excess, but I needed to make sure it wasn't some crazy shit that was gonna pop up. Oh, interesting, a little mouse lag. This is pretty nice. Can I be pursuing my masters? I probably should have asked if you were fine with me opening this on stream, but I'm assuming you are. If you're sending it in the fucking chat. Videos or stuff. It's cool. Yes, I am. Alright, cool. Check the projects. Oh, little click? Little click? Do you have a leetcode rating in your resume? Wait, where? Wait, this is fucking sick, though. Holy stats. Wait, is this active? Is this live? Are you sending like a network request for the leetcode? That's fucking sick. This is fucking sick. This is cool, dude. Just API, yeah. These are nice icons, too. I don't know if I super love the following thing, if I'm being honest. I don't know. It's kind of tripping me out. Yeah. I like the click, though. Writing says it's like a blog. You're a Valorant player? I'm a Valorant player, too. I also did a CS in Val. This is cool, dude. Yeah, I also deeply hate front end. I would never have the patience to make something like this. This is cool. Some hobbies. This is so sick. It's a great website, dude. Oh. Fair play. Fair play. I'm assuming this is also live data. It's just cool. It says you're online. Dude, this is sick. This is sick. Boo. No, I'm just kidding. This is really cool. Refresh. That's so sick. Wow, auto update. Dude. This looks very cool. Good shit, man. The hell? Should have been doing my front end for me. The fuck? Props to you. How long did that take you? Surely a long time. Thank you. Check bottom right. Where's the bottom right? Oh. Audio? Is that Minecraft music? Wait, this whole portfolio took 3 days. That's quite nice. Wait, how? How did this take 3 days? This is so much shit. Why is my thing here? Cloud plus love for front equals 3 days. That's fair. Do I need to refresh? Chat. What happened to my message? Jeez, bro, I just got... That's what I'm fucking saying. I don't know. I'll try again. Alright. I don't know. How did this take 3 days? That's so impressive. Dude, do I make a portfolio website, I guess? Because it's the ones with jobs are saying that they loaded for me. Check again. Where was it? Oh, there you go. That's weird. Good job, man. Quite sleek. Quite sleek. Okay. The one. Gold. Using catch to replace an error with default value is a bit of a blunt instrument. Yeah, that's fair. Catch lets us capture the error value and perform additional actions. Okay. Do I go to UCI? No, I go to Northwestern. Portfolio website stored from like more than a year ago, never finished. Yeah. I've literally never made a portfolio website. I kind of don't want to. It seems like a lot of work, but 3 days? Maybe feel like I should. But that's for later me. I just worked on front end for way too long. Okay. Catch lets us capture the error. Okay. This silly example, we split the responsibility of making a number just right into 4 functions. What? Why am I saying what? I just didn't read it. Okay. So what's the goal here? This is missing a lot, but don't worry, it's nearly identical to fix too big. If we get a too small error, we should return 10. If we get any other error, we should return that error. Otherwise, we should return the U32 number. Wait, why is it returning detect problems? Okay. So we then catch the error. Yeah. Yeah, it's super simple syntax, man. That's what I've also, I've enjoyed this past, little writing thing. I'm definitely going to try a project in this. Do you plan on adding some observability stuff as your website scales up? Who are you talking to? Me? I can't tell if you're talking to, the portfolio or something else. Why are you learning Zig? Just for fun? Literally just for fun. Also, what's up? I didn't realize you were back in the chat. What do you mean observability stuff, then, if you're talking to me? I kind of don't know what that word means in this context. Because this website, is just individual to, the login. Also, it's only for Northwestern students, really, because it's Northwestern Technical Food, so I don't know who else would be looking at it. I'm gonna keep it so real with you. I don't know what a fucking thing you just said is. PCG Prometheus. What are these things? Oh, like monitoring systems? I'm gonna be real. I don't think this site is ever gonna scale. I think maybe 20 people a day will use it. And that's like a high end. This is like such a niche project. It's like, okay, at Northwestern, only freshmen and sophomores really use the dining halls because typically then you live off campus. So it's like, that's like a group of roughly 4,000. And then it's like, who would know of the website and want to use the website is so much lower. You have any experience with AWS? Yeah, I actually just took a class on it. Scalable system architecture. Are you hosting it? I'm hosting it on Railway. Railway for the back end and database, and then Vercel for the front end. Because I was gonna look into like self-hosting, but it seemed like a lot of work, and I kind of didn't want to do it. That's most commonly why I do or don't something is because of like a vibe in the moment. They got DDoS and got like $1,000 bill from AWS. Dude, yeah. I didn't really enjoy using AWS, but I do have some experience in it. It's very minimal, but like I do have some. I should probably check. I don't know if any login things will. Give me 1 second. On Railway. Cloud bills are crazy these days, dude. I'm saying. What is VPS? I've seen that like multiple times. You're just gonna keep going until you find an internship, until you find a full-time job. Internship for this year. Virtual private server, yeah. So I just checked Railway. I don't know why I did that. I want to try like a virtual private server. It seems cool. But also, I don't know really if I'll stop this once I find a job. It will kind of be a vibe thing. But also, might never fucking find an internship. So, who's to say, really? I was like, it's funny to think about of like, will I stop? Will I even hit the end condition? I don't know. Stream while you're at your job? Dude, I might have to. Might have to. No, I'm kidding. I'd never do that. I'd be shocked if I found. I don't know why. I'm kind of being a doomer. But I would be kind of surprised if I found a job for the summer, like an internship. It's cool. Need Linux knowledge, though. Yeah, makes sense. Streaming job is crazy. Okay. 25. No dooming allowed. Dude, leak the company files? That'd be so fucking funny. Dude, no dooming allowed, but like, this whole channel was built off Doom. Okay. What? Oh, I'm on 25. Dude, I'm an idiot. Sure, Emily did it. God, that's crazy. Dude, 166. This is crazy. Thank you guys for watching. This makes this so much more fun. A little bit less productive because I'm just having fun instead of purely coding practice. But like, oh, fuck it, I don't care. I'm on break. Okay. Where am I in this? Ziggy has a handy try shortcut for this. Okay. This function needs to return any error. Please use a try rather than a catch. Interesting. Bro, too chill, fun over productiveness. That's what I'm saying for right now. I mean, you should chill, you're still in college, 10 years. Post-scarcity AGI world. Dude, that's real. That's real. Fuck it, let me have my fun before AI takes it. Let me have my fun before AI takes it. Also, is the audio quality fine, like, of my mic? Because I just got this random comment. So it's like, interesting idea, but you talk so quietly. I feel like I talk normally, but maybe I can change the gain up? Because I'm on a very scuffed setup. Okay. So is it something like try detect of n return x plus 5? Can I do that? Can I do this? So that's valid? Very cool syntax, very cool. I like that a lot, actually. So it's like kind of just shortcutting the return. It's a try block, but you're still returning the error as a value. Very cool. Very cool. Not bad, not bad. So I'm under 26. Wait. Okay. If no one's speaking up about the audio being too quiet or too loud, I'm just going to keep it how it is. Holy text block. Great news. Now we have enough to understand real hello world program, one that uses. Okay. Take note that this main definition now returns a bang void rather than just void. Since there's no specific error type, this means that Zig will infer the error type. Okay. This is appropriate in this case of main, but can make a function handler. Make a function harder or even impossible to work with. Okay. That makes sense. So it's like saying infer the error type at runtime. Runtime or compile time? I don't know. Okay. Unlike standard debug, print similar can fail. Okay, so I'm assuming I just hit it with a try. No? Oh, is it? Oh, I need to try this. Not bad. Are you doing leetcode? I did at the beginning of the stream. I should more. But I really don't want to, because it's not fun. But I did 3 problems at the beginning. I'm going to get to 30 in these ziggling problems. And then I might just do a random leetcode one. Actually, I might do a tree. Because I was doing trees earlier. I should probably make sure that I can still do them. I'll probably call it a night, because my head has been hurting for a little bit, and it's going to be about to be 11. Okay. Let's do 3 more. So we have a defer. Oh yeah, I really did. I saw this in a Spherio thing. I really liked the defer. You can assign some code to run after a block of code exits by deferring it using a defer. An example run later will run after the block. Yeah. Make sure. Makes sense, makes sense. Makes sense. Okay, now that you know the defer, let's do something more interesting with it. This function is supposed to print an animal name in parentheses like goat, but we somehow need to print the end parentheses, even though this function can return in 4 different places. So it's literally just defer it, bro. No? Pretty sure. Yep. Why don't you take help from Google? What do you mean, for leetcodes or for this type of stuff? Because this type of stuff is like you're meant to just try to learn it from like the context they give you. 2 leetcode problems made, 1 runtime error. Me. That is me. That is me. 29. Another common place is a block of code that could exit in multiple places due to an error. Sure. But that needs to do something before it exits, typically clean itself up. Okay, so like memory cleanup, yeah. An error defer is a defer that only runs if the block exits with an error. Sure. Okay. Okay. So in our main, we simply quit the entire program if we fail to get a number. Please make the failed message only print if make number function exits with an error. This could fail, this could also fail. On to 30, baby. The switch statement. Switch statement lets you match the possible values of an expression and perform a different action for each. Okay, basic switch statement, yeah. Else is the default. Okay. Seems basic enough. No? Oh, I just didn't change this. Okay, done with Zig for now. I've really enjoyed that, actually. I can't lie, that syntax is enticing. Keep going, man. Thank you. I'm not going to keep going with Zig for right now. I'm going to do one more problem and then go to bed. But if you mean in general, keep going. I appreciate it. I clicked a random one. Just because it's an easy doesn't mean I don't have to do it. So we're given an integer array prices where prices at I is the ith price. Oh, sorry. There's a special discount for items in the shop. If you buy the ith item, then you will receive a discount equivalent to prices j, where j is the minimum index, such that... What the hell? Wait, let me read this again. My brain is not working. I have PTSD on those hard... Yeah. No, actually. Okay. God, I need to drink some water. My head is banging. Okay, so you have a price array, and that each one, there's a certain value of the ith item. And the discount is that if you're buying the ith item, you get a discount equivalent to j is the minimum index. So it has to be later on in the array, and that price must be less than it. Return an integer array answer where answered I is the final price that you will pay for the ith term of the shop, considering the special discount. Okay. This doesn't seem super easy unless, like, obviously brute force is n squared. Seems prefixy, to be honest with you. Because it seems like what I can do is, I should just pin this. Nope. Don't want that to open. Isn't this a two-pointer thing? Could be, but I'm also kind of thinking that it's a prefix array. Because you can just keep track of the min. Or can you? Is this two pointers? Because the thing with it being two pointers is then it's n squared. Because then at every position, you're taking the, like, you can iterate worst case all the way to the end. I was thinking maybe prefix, like, iterate going backwards. Just like full intuition, kind of have no reasoning, but I kind of got to think through the reasoning. Just because we want to know, like, if you're at the ith position, like, say, whatever, say you're here, you need to check these ones for, like, the minimum discount. Or, like, the first. Yeah, it's not the minimum discount, it's the, I just went to a full screen FaceTime of myself. That's really funny. It is the minimum index such that, so I think maybe at every position, we try, like, our prefix array, we try to put it at what would be the minimum index. Because, like, here, the minimum index would be nothing. Because, like, the end one is always going to be itself. Right? So this is always just going to stay the same. But then from here, we can check if I'm thinking, like, we can check if the current value is less than this, this is a matrix value thing? Is that real? Is this a matrix value thing? Dude, I gotta remove this fucking FaceTime thing. Wait, why would, okay. I hate not being able to do an easy. I can do this. Okay. So the goal for our prefix array is for each array spot, like at the ith spot, we put in what the ith position would be. But no, that's stupid, dude. That's stupid. What is another way to think about this? Is there a hint? There's a hint. Use brute force. The hint is use brute force? Are you fucking kidding me? What a dumbass hint. There's no way that's the best way to do it. There's just no way. I disagree. There has to be something that I'm missing here. Oh my god. This problem just oozes prefix. Oh, whatever. I'm gonna just do it brute force because my head hurts, and then I'm gonna look at the solutions. Okay. I'm just doing the damn brute force because whatever. So it's just, we just two-pointer this thing. Wait, why would I enumerate, actually? Oh, because I can calculate. This question is like the opposite of daily temperatures, which is a medium. Yeah, actually. Oh, then is it a stack problem? Shit. Whatever, I'm brute forcing it, I'll look at it. Could be a stack problem though. Because it's essentially just switching the conditions. Keep killing it, bro. Thank you, man. I don't know if I'm killing it, but I'm trying. Okay. Val equals something like this syntax. I don't know. Maybe. Should this not be greater than? Okay. Let's see if my brute force even gets submitted or if I time exceed. Okay. Now let's place our bets. Is this a stack problem or is it a prefix array problem? Stack. Shit. I so should have recognized that because I did daily temperatures earlier, dude. Fuck me. Fuck me. Okay, I'm gonna force myself to try to do this the stack way. So while there's a stack and I actually did know that. One of them is like, it's because like if you do like multiply it, like a list multiplied by n times, it's like when you, like they're not distinct. That one also has screwed me. I think for this it's fine, because it's just an element. Should be fine. Okay, so we pop. Got this, bro? Thank you, man. Thank you, thank you. Okay. So we want to pop until we found... Wait. So we build this stack thing up. And then if the price is less than it, then we will pop out we'll pop out the index or the price, and the index equals stack.pop. As at the index equals price at that index minus this price. Maybe? Maybe? Any believers? I didn't believe in myself either. I did the same fucking thing last time. Wrong answer. Oh, okay. So it's like, do you ever get that? So like, found. Or you know what I should do? I should just make it as like a copy of prices and then just be changing it. Yeah. We in sync. We in fucking sync. Okay, but why? I'm like kind of close. I'm kind of close. Oh, is it just supposed to be greater than or equal to? Is it at this angle? Wait. Let's fucking go. I appreciate you so much, so fucking much, for saying that this is pretty much daily temperatures. And I appreciate my brain for fucking remembering daily temperatures. You and me, we locked in. We locked in. I think that is a great place to end, actually. It's been 2 hours, 45 minutes. You guys have been so wonderful this stream. Thank you guys for the people who've been here for a long time. Anyone who stopped in. I will see you tomorrow. Smart minds think alike for real. God damn it. Don't group yourself with me. I am not smart. All right. Good night, guys. Have a good night. Thanks for stopping by.